Welcome to another video. Yeah, this is Maloney, and today I want to do another wig review. I'm gonna see how well a pink wig can fit me, and this is a bang wig. And I'm going to install this wig. It's a non-lace wig. It's just pull on. I'm going to install this wig and let you guys see what it looked like. And this is 12-inch. I'm gonna clip off some of the other ends because it looks springy in the ends, but I'm gonna fix it up and show you guys what it looked like. And this is 100% human hair. Okay, and this was sent to me from, I think it's Sexy Lady. Now I'm going to check for the name, and I'm going to put the name of the store in the description for their Instagram. So I'm gonna get right into it. First I'm going to do my eyebrows, then my makeup. And you know what I used to do my eyebrow? I use my avatar dye in the shade dark brown because I can't bother to use the pencil. I don't have all of that patience, honey. I don't have all of that patience, and to be honest, I never learned how to use a pencil to fill in a eyebrow to make it look real. So I stick to what I know. I always tint my eyebrows, so I stick to what I know. This girl back home in Austria always did my eyebrow for me. She is the best. She's in James Avenue. I totally forgot her name, but she can tint eyebrow. Let me tell you, she can do her thing. And as you can see, I'm using my phone to record, so I can't play no music. So let's go right into it. And I just basically use this dye to fill in my brows. If you want to see a full video of how I fill in my brows with the dye, you can request it in the comment and I will do one. And it's when you do this with a dye, it lasts you actually 3 to 4 days before you need to do it again. So if you're going on a road, you already have your brows done. And I use a concealer to give it a sharper and to shape the brow, and I fill it out. So okay, so you all know I only do basic makeup, so now I'm going to fit the wig on my head, and I'm going to tighten the elastics in the back. The wig feels soft and nice, it's not shredding. It's a non-lace wig, so it's just a wig that you can pull on. I think this should be, probably it's too big. Let me try. it still feel a little loose to me, so I'm gonna tighten it one more notch. I'm trying to pull everything out. Alright, so let me put it on back now. Gotta make sure it's well secured. I don't want it to be falling off my head. And I haven't seen any clips in it to hold it, so I gotta make sure it's tight enough. Now that's it. I'm gonna clip it down because the end is a little bit weak. And bangs is not my favorite. Gonna clip down the front of it too, and I'm going to do that offline, not on video, in case as well. But I like the color so far. I will take a color from me, a dark skin. So I said I wasn't going to do it on camera, but I'm actually going to. If it's spoiled, probably I'll still show it, probably not. But I'm going to make up my mind and try to cut it on one level. Okay, you can see it's not on one level, and I don't like that, right? The hand is still springy. I don't like the springy hands, but otherwise on the springy ends, the wig is a good wig. Only thing you have to do is cut it down to your liking, and that's why I'm glad it was in 12 inch, so I can cut off a little bit off of it. So I'm probably gonna cut it to right here. Let me comb out, and it's not shredding any at all, to be honest. So although it was bleach, because it's bleach and then dyeing pink, it's still strong. So I assume if you get a natural black, it will probably be much thicker and full, because actually when you bleach these hair, human hair, it actually strips the hair of its quality and its volume. So I guess if this is already stripped and stuff, I guess if you buy natural black, it will give you a better thickness and stuff. So let me see how am I going to do all of this now. And as I said, let me not cut it yet. I was gonna cut it right here, but I have let me try. Alright, so comb that out, and hey, me I want to spoil something here, you know. I really don't want to, so let me take my time and comb from underneath and outside as well. So here it goes this time. Oh my god, it's the first time I'm wearing pink here, like a wig. So I actually do think it fit my complexion. Could be wrong, everybody have their own opinion, but to me it fit my complexion. I'm not ever gonna doubt myself, but if it did look bogus, I would have said this is not for me. And I probably won't wear this wig again. And as you know, I have a wig giveaway on my Facebook page, and all you need to do is pay for your shipping and a wig can be yours. The wig is free of cost. All you got to do is pay $20 US for the shipping to Jamaica, and the wig is totally yours. Right, so I'm in there. Right. And so far, I think I am doing a good job with the cutting. I said I could be wrong. It's the first time I'm actually cutting a hair down on my head. I hope I don't regret this. Just to be honest, the wig is so beautiful, and I don't want to mess it up. If I don't give it away, I'll probably wear it a few more times. So I don't want to mess it up, and if I do give it away, I don't want the person I give it to say, oh gosh, why am I alone do the ear so? Why am I alone do the ear so? And the other wigs I'm giving away, they are totally new wigs in bags. They are new wigs, so don't worry. It's not something I already drag and wear, but I'm just doing this review for the video, and if I don't like it, I won't wear it again. And if you want it, you can have it. If I decide not to wear it again, if I decide to wear it again, it's not up for auction, darling. Yeah, so right. Remember, I am not a professional. I don't normally cut down here, but I'm trying. So I'm gonna do the other side offline. Not to make this video too long because I don't have a laptop yet to edit my stuff, so I have to edit it with my phone. So if the quality of the video is bad, I'm so sorry, hon. When I start actually making money off YouTube, and I will buy stuff to start doing decent and high quality blog. Until then, I won't waste my money from my hair business to go do something else. That's just me. I use what I make from a business to expand the business. Yeah. So I did fix the back, and this is the result. Girl,